consumer price index, right? We all are consumers. So here we will know what are consumer price index. First feature is a consumer price index is a statistical measure of changes in prices of goods bought by a well defined group of families. That means the goods bought by well defined group of families. What do you mean by well defined group of families? That means which is a common group of family. Common group means majority of people of the economy, not a particular family or not a particular group of family only, common group of family of the whole economy. That means majority of people of the economy, and it is a statistical measure of changes in prices of goods bought by majority of the people of the economy, because we are concerned not with any particular individual or any particular group or any particular family, but in general we consider that the whole country is a family, and a group of family means majority of number of people of that, or you can say of the whole population of the country. Consumers are divided into three groups. Now the consumers what we are talking here, they are divided into three groups. First, industrial workers, second, urban non-manual employees, and third, agricultural laborers. Right? That means first industrial workers who are working in the industries, urban non-manual employees. That means the employees living in urban areas who are not doing the manual work, who are doing the skill type of work. These are non-manual employees. And third, farmers, that is agricultural laborers. So these are three categories. Now uses of index number of consumer price index. First, used for determining DA for central government employees. DA is the dearness allowance, and dearness allowance is on the basis of prices. If the prices of commodities are increasing, then dearness allowance is also increased, because when the prices are increasing, value of money is decreasing, and dearness allowance is increased to balance the price and value of money. So in this way, index number, especially the consumer price index, it helps in determining the DA of central government employees. DA of central government employees is decided by the government, and how government decides it? On the basis of trend of prices. Clear? Then second, use indicator of change in retail prices of essential commodities. Consumers are concerned with retail prices generally, right? And retail prices are the prices which we have to pay when we purchase a commodity on the counter. Now here CPI, it indicates the change in retail prices of essential commodities, because here we are selecting only basic essential commodities used by majority of consumers. So it is an indicator of change in retail prices, useful for measuring the real wages. That means money wages and real wages, these are two terms. Money wages is the wage what we get in terms of money. When a laborer is working, suppose he is getting 10,000, that is his money wage, right? But if the value of money has gone down, then his real purchasing power has gone down. With 10,000 he will be able to purchase less. So in money terms he is getting 10,000, but in real terms it is less than 10,000 when the prices are increasing, because purchasing power has decreased. So the measurement of real wages can be done with the help of CPI. If prices are decreasing, real wage will increase, money wage remain the same, but real wage will increase. If prices are increasing, money wage remain the same, suppose, then the real wage will decrease with the increase in price. So, it is an indicator or measurement of real wages. Fourth, helpful in forecasting demand. Whatever is the trend of price, with the help of that we can forecast the demand. Though nobody can judge what will be the demand for a certain commodity, but to certain extent we know that when the prices are increasing, there is a trend of increase in prices, then demand is bound to decrease in near future. And similarly, if prices are decreasing, we can presume that demand is going to increase. So, these are the uses of consumer price index.